Okay, students, we go on, and in this section, I want to talk a little bit about assignments. Of course, you have different kinds of assignments in the course, and some of them are going to be done online. So let's talk about that. Let's go back to our Canvas course page. Oh, sorry, I lost it here. Here we go. Again, this is our home page for our Canvas course, right? And then I want us to look at several things. Over here, first of all, don't forget when I showed you the different modules, right? I show you this one that says General Course Resources. And we talked about the homework assignments. Don't forget, you are expected to download the homework assignment for your particular edition of the book. And like it says, it lists there for each unit that has the chapter and the problem number. Don't forget, the chapters in the book do not necessarily match the units of content in the course. Don't forget that, as we mentioned, your 5th edition book has a companion website that has the solutions. So you can always go back and check. You don't have to worry about, did I have it right, did I have it wrong? Or you can self-grade yourself. And if you have questions, you can ask me. Or once we have our embedded tutor, you can ask our tutor. Okay. Now, those are not the only kinds of assignments we have. So there's here on the left again, in the course navigation bar, there is a tab called Assignments. And I'm going to click that right now to show you the 2 ways in which these are organized. So in your default mode, what you're going to see here is you're going to have your upcoming assignments. As these assignments go through, they will be moved into a category called, graded or past assignments or whatever. But right now, since there's none of them due, we have them all listed here by date. So notice that the first one here is the lab safety one that I mentioned. This is the simulation in Labster. Again, please come back and check the week before classes start, and it'll open for you. We have also what I call the Quantum Cafe. These are discussions. Let me see. I think at this point, this will probably not open because, oh, here they are. So these are the different kinds of discussions. The first one you're going to do, again, this is not going to open until the first week of classes. It's called Getting to Know You. I'm going to give you a chance to write a little bit about yourselves, your classmates get to know you, and then give you a chance to respond to 2 other classmates' posts. It'll be a way of getting to know us. I mean, we do have interaction in the lab, but sometimes you come into the lab with your, your blinders on, you're kind of focused, and you don't get a chance to really interact with the whole class. And I want to give you an opportunity for that. So those are the other kinds of assignments we have. Actually, rather than show you this list here, which is all kind of like in, what do you call that, by date, you can also organize them by type. And so what it does is it separates them into discussions, right? Your lab reports, which again, please pay attention to announcements and to instructions. I still have not decided if you're going to be turning these in paper or if you're going to upload them into Canvas. We have your homework assignments. I already talked about that. We have tests of different kinds. We have quizzes. We have exams. So there are different ones in here. And you're going to have a couple of extra credit opportunities throughout the semester to, add to your score. Extra credit points are not automatically added. They are scored, but the points are left for me to add them at the end of the semester to whatever category you need help with, just purely mathematically, okay? So I would recommend you do these extra credit opportunities. Not only is it a great learning opportunity, but it also gives you a chance to, for example, if you missed a quiz or if you forgot to turn in an assignment, you can use these. This is kind of like your quote unquote makeup for them because there are no makeups for missed assignments. Okay, so that is as far as the assignments go. The quizzes, as I mentioned, are all going to be online. And for example, the first one you're going to be doing will be open on the first week of the semester. And now you go in there and there is a little exercise. Most of them are typically true or false, multiple choice. Some of them are actually calculations where you had to put in a number, and they'll be graded by the system. And then I'll go back and review them and maybe give you some extra points for effort and stuff like that. So my motto is, if you attempt any assignment in this course, you get at least 50% credit, at least. There's no zeros. The only way you get a zero is if you don't do it at all, okay? So be aware of that. Just trying to help you out, guys, okay? All right, so in the next section, I'm going to look at some more at the organization of the modules as a week-by-week activity basis. So that's going to be it for now, and I will see you in the next section. Thank you.